Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Zapier AI tools for marketing automation. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Zapier AI tools for marketing automation, start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one for free. Navigate to the dashboard once logged in. On the dashboard, click on Make a Zap to begin setting up your automation. Select the app you want to use as your trigger. If it's your first time using the app, you will need to authenticate it. Click on the Sign Into App Name button. A new window will pop up asking for your login credentials. Enter your username and password for the selected app. After logging in, give Zapier permission to access your account. This usually involves clicking on a confirmation button. Once authorized, you will return to the Zapier interface. Now, set up the trigger by defining what event will start the automation. After configuring the trigger, proceed to select the app you want to connect as your action. Repeat the authentication process for this app if it's your first time connecting. Follow the same steps, click Sign Into App Name, and provide your credentials. Ensure that you grant the necessary permissions for Zapier to access your account. Return to the Action Configuration screen in Zapier. Customize your action by setting parameters according to your marketing needs. Once everything is configured, test your Zap to ensure it works as intended. Click on Test and Continue to see if the integration operates smoothly. If the test is successful, you can proceed to name your Zap. After naming, turn your Zap on to activate the automation. You can manage your Zaps by going back to the dashboard. This lets you easily monitor and edit your automations as needed. Always check for any updates with the apps you are using to ensure seamless integration. With this setup, you are ready to streamline your marketing automation with Zapier AI tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.